Oh, I'm rolling. But you're not. How secure are you feeling in there?
Well, I'm wobbling about, so you know, I know it's gonna fall over any minute. How secure is your truck going over there?
How secure is what?
How secure are you feeling about your truck being right there with me?
Why do you think I'm standing in between you? I'll push you over before you get here.
Good man.
You flip around turning really quick.
Oh yeah.
I'm not the best video recorder here. Sorry.
All right.
Looks like it's doing great. Frame seems to be holding well. It doesn't seem to be any major kind of deflection to it. My wife's gonna come out and roll her eyes at you.
Deservedly so.
Great, Dave. Thanks.
I know.
You okay if I stop? You okay if I stop recording?